Here we are, about 1 in the morning, February 15th. Monday, President's Day. Look at this, sleet/snow. It's pretty icy out. Stay safe, pretty crazy. 1 in the morning here. Sleet, snow in Houston. Gotta document this stuff. Woo! Pretty cold here. That's me stepping on some ice here. Hope you're all staying warm in this Houston wintry weather. So it's a little slick right here underneath the bridge. A little bit cooler. There's the Exxon Mobil to the right. Here's McDonald's. Totally empty. Stop sign. Okay. Keep going.
Oh, there's McDonald's.
Totally shut down. Okay, it's 9 o'clock at night. Home Depot's closed. Look at this. So the sign's still on. See this, Mace? The major light's on, but guess what? It's closed all inside. Okay. Usually they're open up till like 9 or 10 o'clock at night. So you can see this. Hotel's out of electricity.
We can't see it on this.
We're going to Target, hoping that its electricity's on.
Yeah, hoping it's on down there. Okay. A little icy. Okay, we'll do a little turn action from this person. We'll go straight when you go over ice. So that person's smart, they know they're going to go a little bit slower.
That's nice.
Yeah. Here's the office, chained up, definitely closed. Some water going here. Some water going up right here, though. Nothing there. You can tell, totally empty parking lot here. All right, here we are. Let's get some juice. So we've been using the kiddie pool to gather rain here. There's our bucket from Tropical Storm Imelda. Used a lot of that water. Then we got ice that was on top of the kiddie pool. And now we're capturing rain from the runoff here. We took a bunch of the other ones already to the car. We're gonna try to grab some runoff here outside. All right, here we are, guys. It's cold outside. We're gonna try to get some water off of this water runoff. Put in the buckets here, put in there. Okay, so where does all that water that we got from the runoff go? Show you. So we filtered it through a pillowcase water for here. Now, why do we need all that water? This is the main culprit. So when you pump under here, somewhere close to around almost 3 gallons to 4 gallons of what it takes to flush that bad boy. So, common phrase, if it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down. So since it's been Monday, at some point we gotta flush stuff down. So a nice plus, water did come on here at around 3 something. And so we turned that bad boy, or opened that up, filled these 3 up, not all the way to the top, right? Because what'll happen is it'll bow out and it can break, too much pressure on the sides. And then I brought that thing inside so that way I could get some hot air, and then held it against my body and then put it back on to make sure that gets freezing tonight, we won't have any issues. So still got the kiddie pool there full of water if needed. Okay, Taking this back into the blue bin. So grateful the sun's out, it's getting warmer. Took all the water from these buckets, transferred it back here into the 50-gallon drum, and it's all full, ready to go. There's surprisingly still some ice in there. So getting rid of the water runoff, you can see there, it's not the cleanest of water, but it's necessary to keep these things flushing. Didn't really have to tap into it, but glad that we had it. All right, everybody, there was basically the week here in Houston. A little bit crazy there. Electricity was out and the water, cell phone service was down. So luckily, you know, we still feel very blessed in the midst of all this. Stayed healthy, stayed safe, stayed warm, despite it getting down to about 50 degrees in the house. I know for other people, they had much worse, right? They're dealing with water loss. They're dealing with burst pipes in their house, and it got so cold in their house, it was in the 30s, right? So I know some people in the team, it was like 37, 39 with people that I work with. So it doesn't matter whether you're in San Antonio, Austin, all the way down to Corpus Christi or McAllen on the border of Texas and Mexico. Everybody was really impacted by this. And so I feel very grateful at this time. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe. Sherm's out.